Hey guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. It's a surprise video because I got my Ipsy in the mail. Yes, it's an Ipsy unboxing, unbagging, because now it's not even in a box. It's in a bag. Anyways, if you don't know what Ipsy is a $25 a month beauty subscription and you get 5 full-size items or I think it's over $120 or 125, I don't know. Everything will be linked in the description box, all the information, and the link. If you want to use my link, I just get extra points, no money, no commission, just points. So if you want to sign up for Ipsy, if you're not already, it will be down in the description box below. Also, shop on Mercari. I have some goodies on there, some new ones. Go check it out. It will also be linked down below. Also, my contact information if you want to, chat with your girl. Anyways, I upload Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and every single Sunday. I'm looking for the card. Every single Monday is a mass try on Monday besides this Monday, because this Monday is choice day. Choice day for BoxyCharm. I'm not going to be talking about BoxyCharm in this video, but it's choice day. So, yeah, your girl's doing a surprise video. I don't know when that's going to come up because choice day is like at 12 on the 12th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm probably going to get that video around 2ish. So bear with your girl. So the theme this month is your magic. I love it. I love the emblem and everything else. It says on the back, save the date, November 2nd. That's when you could build your bag, and then it just gives information. It doesn't give the information about what's in the bag. That will be on the app. So the first thing I want to show you is the bag for this month. Let me just put this down. The bag for this month is so cute. It's a drawstring bag, of course. I can just put like my toiletries and everything else, especially because it's that time of the month for me. I can just put my stuff in here. It's black. No one's going to see through it, and it's great. And it goes with the spooky theme of October. So the first thing that we have is a palette. I did choose this item, by the way. You get to choose 3 products out of the 5. 2 of the products they do pick for you based on your beauty profile. You do a beauty profile when you sign up. It's the Mousse palette from Laura Sanchez. And whoa, that is just so beautiful. This is what the covering looks like, and this is what the palette looks like. And then on the back of it, it tells you like all information and like the whole emojis. I saw it when she first came out and I wanted it, but I didn't get it in my box. I was okay not getting it because I got a little single shadow in my Ipsy Glam bag, and I liked the way how it worked. It wasn't a matte shadow, it was a shimmer shadow, so I can't wait to test out the mattes in here. It's good for 12 months after opening. And yeah, this is from Laura Sanchez makeup. Yep, Laura Sanchez makeup. And everybody's like, what is Laura Makeup Labs or Laura Makeup Beauty or whatever, because it was a eyeshadow brush in the regular Glam bag that's $12 a month, and everybody's like, we don't know her. This is the back, really pretty. And I'm like, yes, you do. We saw her before. Comes with a mirror right here. Nice mirror. Comes with a little plastic that is like taped. And oh, my palette has gone through some times right now. I'm trying to clean it up right now. It's gone through some sugar honey. It looks like this, and it has a little brush. You can see you can see why I pick that palette, because I've been looking for the perfect yellow, and well, we're gonna see if it's perfect today. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the yellow shade right here all over the lid. This is the fire emoji sign, and oh my gosh, pigment. It actually is pigment on my eyes. I already primed my eyes before filming this video because I knew this was coming up. It's a little powdery. So if you can see, there's a lot of fallout. I had to really build up the shade. It is patchy, so this is not the perfect yellow. But I am going to put the lighter brown and like the tan brown into the brow bone and the brown on the outer corner. And I'm gonna try to like do a green somehow, but we're just gonna wing it. This was in the box before. Again, just putting the brown there. This was in the brown is so beautiful. Like, why is that pigmented and not the yellow? I mean, yellows are hard to make. That's why I'm trying to find the perfect yellow. But I'm just saying, like, dang. Anyways, it's kicked in the pan. It was in, that's the brown. That's beautiful. It was in the box before, like a long time ago. I think like last year. That's when she came out with this, and she said that she came out with a brand of her own. And it was like, okay, I didn't want it that year because I was like, I want more greens. I want, you know, pinks. I want this. I want that. I wasn't like, I was okay not getting this palette, but now I'm like, I want this palette. So I was like, all right, boom. I chose it. This is one of the items that I chose. By the way, this has a retail for $35. And yeah, the eyes are looking good. I will leave a link where to get this palette down below. Wow, that green shade. I'm just taking the green into a corner and still letting the yellow show, like right here. Okay, the next product in the bag is a product again that I chose. This is the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer from Ciate, London. I have a little baby size, like a little baby size. I actually got 2 of these baby size. So because of that, this baby right here is not going to be used. I am going to be using this one right here for all over my face. The full size of this baby retails for $28. Ooh. Oh, it has that like candy watermelon scent. Oh, I love it. And you can see how it just gives a boost of hydration. Already I'm putting some under the eyes because, you know, under eyes need it. I'm gonna come back with my base done, and then we're gonna go to the next product in my bag. By the way, this is what the full size look like. It looks so luxurious. Like, I always wanted the big size, but I was like, yo, I have many sizes, and I have like a lot of primers, a lot of mini primers. So, I get the full size, but I didn't have to pay for it. Again, $25 is the bag, aka box, and this is retails for $28. Like, come on. By the way, for my face, I use the CoverGirl, what is it? CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, the shade Espresso, and then I got the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation in Molly 130. And these are mattifying primers. I mean, not primers. These are mattifying products. And look at the glow. Yes, it still is working. But we're going to see if it's going to still work after this. This is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Shape Tape Setting Powder in the shade, I think it's the deep one. Translucent Tan Deep. Now, this right here, I'm looking at the app, the Ipsy app. This right here retails for $34. It has 12 grams. This transition fastback free powder diffuses light to boost radiance while setting your makeup for all day's wear. So let's test it out today. Ooh, look at the packaging. So pretty. So pretty. That's light though. That's light though. I mean, it does say tan deep. So, ooh, it comes with a little puff that got dirty already. Comes with a little puff. Comes with a little mirror. And then it comes with a seal. It took me a while to take that seal off, but it comes with a mesh type of thing where you push down and all the powder comes off. Boom. very easy to deal with. As you can see, I did not put mascara on, not because I have a mascara in here, but it's because after powder I usually spray my face and I didn't want to like cry everything off, you know, because mascara and setting powder, some setting powders, not all setting powders, do not mix with my eyes. So yeah. Ooh, it gives like a nice blurring effect, but I'm gonna see if this kind of like tones down after I set my face, because I'm looking a little ashy. I'm looking a little ashy, but I'm gonna put more on the under eyes so I can have that brightening effect, that wake effect. Okay, my face looks better. For blush, I used the Ace Beauté Blush in Paradise palette, and I just mixed all but like went more into that peachy shade just for like a natural type of look on the bottom, not of course on the eyes. For highlighter, I'm going back into the Moods palette and going into that icy pink shade. I'm just gonna, whoa. Okay, so the highlights are popping in here. The highlights are popping. Okay, the fourth product in here is another product they chose for me. This is the Dr. Brant Pore Dermabrasion Scrub. I didn't need another scrub, but I'm glad I got Dr. Brant Pore Dermabrasion because Dr. Brant is a very good skincare brand. Also, they're kind of pricey, and guess how much this retails for? $58. And I got it in a $25 bag. Wow. Now the last thing in this bag is a lip gloss from Haus Labs. Haus Labs is owned by none other than Lady Gaga. I always wanted to try her brand, but her brand is not in Sephora or Ulta. It's online and Amazon, and I'm just like, I mean, you could get it on her website or you could get it on Amazon. I mean, like either one, but still, no, I picked this. It was a choice between this one or a Violet Voss lip gloss in clear, and you guys know I don't do clear lip glosses. So this was actually a good shade. They actually gave me a good shade. They gave me a brown type of shade, or I thought it was brown because now it's kind of looking red in the tube. This is what the packaging looks like. Kind of looking red. Oh, it's brown, but it's like a reddish. Oh, that is a weird type of applicator. Okay. It's one of those fuzzy applicators. Oh yeah, it's brown. It is brown. And this retails for $18. Ooh, it's like thick and rich, but moisturizing, and you don't feel like the glitter. You could see that it has like some shine, but you don't feel it. Like, oh. And I love how this little curve, it like hugs, as you saw, it hugs my lips, and I didn't have to dip back in. It just went like that. That. Perfect. Wow. Wow. Ipsy, you made me look boss. You made me look boss. I stopped you for a while. I stopped this glam bag because you could pause it and then go back. That's what you could do. You could skip a couple of months. It's a great subscription, and it's $25 a month. If you want to know more about it, again, the link is down below. Thank you for watching this video, this unbagging, and this try on. Do you like the look? I like the look. What do you think? That's it for the end of this video. I am so glad about my box. I am actually excited about everything that came in here. The way that they have it now, I mean, they gave me a clear gloss option, but you know, it is what it is. They're working on it, and I'm really excited about it. If you want to sign up, again, link down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button when you go. That was corny. All right, bye guys.